Hi, I'm Richard C. I'm a math tutor at Wyzant. I'm answering a question submitted by a student. This particular student looks like he or she is starting to get ready for calculus because what we're working with here is called the difference quotient. And this difference quotient is a very important part of the study of derivatives in calculus. So let's walk through the steps here. So we have our, we have our function f of x that's equal to 1 over x, and what we want is f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 all over h. That's called the difference quotient. Now, all we're going to do is plug this in. It's a little substitution rule. We're going to substitute x with 2 plus h. So that's 1 over 2 plus h minus 1 over 2, all divided by h. Okay, so I just substituted in 2 plus h in this first step here, and then I substituted 2 into the second step. Okay, so we need a common denominator here, so it's going to be 2 times 2 plus h, and then over here, common denominator 2 times 2 plus h. So what we're going to get up top here is a 2. What we're going to get up top here is a 2 plus h. And of course, all of that is h. So let's continue now. Hopefully this step is fine with you. Remember how to find a common denominator. So when we combine these two terms, they're like terms because they have the same denominator. We're going to get negative h over 2 times 2 plus h over h. So we can rewrite this now as negative h over 2 times 2 plus h times 1 over h. This is often referred to as keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. We keep the numerator. We change division. This is the division that we're changing this line here. Changing division to multiplication. So you keep the numerator, change to multiplication, and flip the denominator. So instead of h, you have 1 over h. Keep, change, flip. It's used all the time. So this is going to leave us with negative, because the h's cancel, negative 1 over, and I think we might as well distribute the 2, so you're going to get 2h plus 4. And that's the difference quotient here. It's going to allow you to do to calculate derivatives further down the road. We have to put a limit in front of this and so on. But this is a good and important building block. Okay, that's it for this one. See you again next time. Bye-bye.